Bigfoot doesn't have to be complicated. If you can cut a silhouette, add a little texture, you can carve this. First, I'm going to anchor in this log. I'm going to start by blocking it out. And that'll be his foot. I'm just going to roughly draw this outline down just so I know where I'm going to be carving, and it just kind of gives me a way to know how to keep it symmetrical. I'm moving to my detail saw here, and I'm just going to start rounding everything off and making the form of the body, and I'll start working on the feet and doing the arms, and then finally working on the placement of the head. Would you look at that? There's a pitch line right where the face has got to go. Well, I'm going to have to cut that back. So I cut a little deeper and I got rid of that. And I got to redraw my lines. I'm constantly cutting off and redrawing my lines just to try to keep it symmetrical. I'm going to switch to the battery saw and refine the blocking. Here I'm just refining the feet, the hands, the arms, the head, and the face. Just giving a little bit more detail to it. Anything that looks a little too square, I'm rounding it off, just getting away from the blockiness of it to make it look more natural. I'm cutting the hair in here. And I just use the tip of my carving bar up and down, just slightly doing little taps on the very edge of it, on the side, to give hair-like texture to our Bigfoot here. Doing hair texture with the chainsaw is a video in itself, and one day I'll have to make one. Since this is such a small carving, I'm going to use the rotary tool here to detail these eyes, refine the nose, do the mouth and the lips with a little flame bird from Cutsall. So here's a little simple caricature you can do with Bigfoot. It's a little classic from the side profile L bracket. And then just straight down silhouette. Oversized feet,